we have some background, then only we can learn data science. They are having this belief in their mind. Okay, it's not like that. Anyone can learn data science without any background. You are from non-programming background, you are from maybe from non-mathematical background. Doesn't matter where you are from. Okay, only thing is without any background you can learn data science. Okay, only one requirement is willingness to learn. Okay, this one is data science and AI is a ruling world now. Okay, in future next 20 years, wherever data is available, we can use the data science and artificial intelligence. Yeah, can someone mute their audio because there is some disturbances? Yeah. So my profile, okay. I have 15 plus years of IT experience. I have done my UG in Anna University College of Engineering, India, one of the top most college. Sorry for that. I started, working in a Fortune 500 company. Parallelly, I have done so many freelancing project management and techno-functional. I started my career in Microsoft technology. From Microsoft, I moved to data analytics. Past nearly 7 years, I have been in data science. I'm working as a senior data scientist in a Fortune 100 company. So through that, I have learned many things, many techniques. I am applying all the techniques, not 100%. I applying many techniques in my real time. Through that, I realized, okay, so why don't we give this knowledge to the people who are looking to learn, right? So I am sharing my knowledge to the people who are interested to learn, okay? So here we have connected through Cloud4green. Okay, this is a 9+ years old company. Okay, it's not a new one. 9+ years. They have produced more than 12,000 students from their training institute. Okay, so they have offered so many emerging technologies related training. They are supporting for creating infrastructure services from physical to cloud automation. So through that, they are serving to society and the people for moving their next level. Okay, today agenda is, so we will think about skills and job opportunities in data science, and what is data science and AI example. Definitely, I can say that this session will add value to your knowledge. You will learn new things today. Okay, don't worry. This definitely the next 30 minutes will add value to you. Okay, and application in the industry use cases. We will see some use cases and problems. Normally, we heard some word data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning. What is the difference? Okay, as a learning term, we will see that one. Okay, and data to insight. What is machine learning? How it works? Okay, and data science project. I will show some. And then finally, question and answer session. Okay. So if you see the survey, it says last 2021, it covers April 2021 to April 2022. Okay. If you see here, 30% increase in job opening, okay, compared to last year, okay, in data science. This thing is only for data science and analytics related roles. 30% job role is increasing, okay, in the industry. So you know that how much opportunity there in industry, okay. If you see, compare with the other technologies, other roles, data science and AI roles paying more salary compared to other things. Why? Because always we are connecting with the business. We add value to the business. We have normally we are connecting closely with the business top executives. Okay, they know our value. We are giving a value added inputs to their business. That is the main thing. Okay, so if you learn data science, you can apply for various roles, not only data science. Okay, there are many roles are available in the industries like AI scientist, machine learning engineer, deep learning engineer, and business analyst and decision scientist. Some companies data steward. So various roles, recommendation engine engineer, some e-commerce industry, you can see that recommendation engine, right? There are specific roles also there, Python developer, Python programming. From zero to advanced level, there are various levels. various job roles are available. Not only data scientist, okay, you can apply to various roles if you learn, if you have the skill, okay. First, before that, you need to develop the skills. Normally in industry, what happens, the freshers, the people who are done some degree after joining in the industry, right, they are thinking about only their degree, okay. There is a lot of difference between degree and skills, okay. Degree only support to enter into the job or create a one profession, that's it. After that, whatever we are getting some skill, right, through that only we have to move next level, okay. So the skills are very important, future skill. Currently what skills require in the market, okay, so we have to focus on that. Data science and the artificial intelligence, everywhere they are focusing. This skill is very important now. That's why you should focus on learning new skills, okay. For that you have to give some hard work, you have to put some effort, then only you can acquire that skill. Through that you can move, okay. So this data science, if you have a data science skill, you can apply a number of roles in the industry, okay. So why data science, why it is getting popular, okay. Why, what happened? If you see this graph, you can easily understand, okay. From 2016 to we are in 2022, right. It shows some prediction to 2025, okay. The data growth, this graph, mainly the bar graph, shows the data growth. It shows from
Excuse me, sir. Sorry to interrupt.
yes.
Can you speak a little bit louder, please?
Can you hear me now? Can you
Yeah,
hear me?
you are audible.
Okay, so just again, yeah, just again, hold on. Yeah, I will check my. So audio is clear now. Is it okay?
Yeah, clear.
Okay, if you now we are covering into data. Why data science and AI? If you see the data from 2016 to 2022, the data is growing exponentially, because every companies, they are having a huge history of data. With the data, what can do? They don't want to waste the data, right? They started to analyze the data. Through that, they created more business, okay. That's why data is add value to the business, their business. Data is a food for artificial intelligence, okay. They are having a data, but we should analyze as a data scientist whether it's a good data or not good. Through that, we have to take some actions, okay. Some, we have to apply some methods. So we are having a huge data. With the data, they are creating some new businesses. They are doing some prediction. Through that, they improve their business, okay. So simple example, everyone having a smartphone, right, in our hand. We are enabling internet. So many apps you install in your mobile. What happens every time? They capture your data, where you are going, which is what is your interest. Through that, they are having a n number of customers data. Through that, they can analyze about a customer pattern. They can offer advertisement. They are showing so many advertisement in your apps, right, mobile apps. So based on your interest only, they are showing, okay. So everything is possible through the data, okay. After collecting the data, they are applying some science and techniques on the data, that is called data science. Through that, we can predict the future, that is called artificial intelligence, okay. Before entering into the data science, we should know about data analytics. What is the data analytics? Before data science, people normally call that data analytics, okay. There are four different type of analytics are there in the industry. First one is a descriptive. Suppose if you are running, assume that, okay, you are running a one supermarket, okay. Because why I am saying this example, everyone, they can easily connect. They know about the supermarket functionality, right? So you are running a supermarket, you are owning a supermarket, you have a number of sales and a number of customers in your business, right? So here, if you ask that question, you have a data, past 3 years data, 3 years data. If you ask question, what happened in your business? What happened sales last year? Okay, the data gives answer. You can through query or reporting, through that you can create a answer for that question. If you ask any question like this, that is called descriptive analytics. Why did it happen? If you dig into further. Okay, why? Suppose some months sales was down. That time due to pandemic, some situation might happen. Okay, that time you should analyze why did it happen? Why the sales was high or down? That if you ask that question, that is called diagnostic analysis. You are doing diagnosis. Some visualization tools, everything is there. This one is you are analyzing a past data. With the past data, if you want to predict future, what my sales next month, okay, that is called predictive analytics. What might happen? If you ask this question, that is a predictive. Suppose whatever you are doing some model algorithm, right? Through that, it gives some suggestion to the business. Yeah, in your why the sales was down. Through that, they are suggesting there are some unsatisfied customer in your customer list. So check with them. Okay, what to do when it will happen? Okay, some prescriptive analytics. That one easily you some small example. Everyone using a Google map, right? If you search some Google destination, if you search some destination, right, it suggests 3 or 4 route. It suggests only one route is recommend that, it suggests that. Okay, so that is called prescribe something. Okay, that AI tool prescribe something solution. Okay, so there are 4 different type of analytics. Mainly we should focus descriptive and predictive. Okay, so here we are using data. Through that we can do analyze for this. Okay, so I hope you are clear on this. Okay, so for AI, we can use in 2 ways. We can use for personal home use, like Alexa, Siri, self-driving cars. Whenever you are searching some Google search, right, you can see some mic symbol in the search bar and the next to some image symbol. You can search your audio and image-based search. Everything is a deep learning, artificial intelligence model they are using inside the engine. In industry wise, we can show n number of examples. Currently, we are running in industry 4.0. Everywhere is automation and AI related things. From getting the source raw material to delivering to the customer, we are having again various department there in industry, right? Suppose if it's the predictive maintenance department, they can use a predictive maintenance. They can analyze, okay, what will happen, which part of the machine will what time when it will be failed. Okay, you can understand, you can predict that. That is called predictive maintenance. In quality they can use a fault detection easily. Okay, everything is automation and AI. Okay, so from raw material to customer, they are using n number of case projects. Okay, in industry, that's for that they can improve their business because they can reduce manual effort, accuracy also more through that. Okay, and not only industry, some banking and finance sector. If you see that everyone has experienced that chatbot in your banking site, because they are doing a better customer service through chatbot. The chatbot is one of the best example for artificial intelligence. And fraud detection, anyone applying a loan, the fraction of second they can say that you are eligible or not eligible, because in background they are using artificial machine learning model. Okay, and customer recommendation, so many examples are there inside finance sector. Various examples are there. uh, Huge growth in healthcare industries. Okay, if it is a patient care and medical imaging, if you have a lot of x-rays and medical images, you can diagnose that one through machine. And research and development, the pharma industries, they are using various case studies. And physician. Okay, we hear that news, right? Robotic surgery and some AI devices, they are doing surgery, right? So everything is possible there, because in future we have a huge growth in healthcare industries. Okay, I'm sure that. Not only this, there are various examples are there. Banking sector, telecom, manufacturing, transport and logistics, retail. Everyone knows our Amazon, Flipkart. They are recommending, once you purchase the product, once you add the products in cart, they are recommending a number of products on the right side, right? So how it is possible? Everything is AI related things. Healthcare, cancer prediction, insurance. Okay, the earlier we have to suppose anyone claim the insurance means we have to go and validate. But if now it's easy to validate. Client prediction, everything is possible in education industry. Industry wise, we have a number of examples, and the business function wise, can you say any business doesn't have any customers? It's not possible. Sales, marketing, everything is involved in the business. So the customer and sales marketing wise, we can do analytics. Okay, so we can apply those algorithms. So business function wise, we can do. Okay, so we have seen some example case studies. Now we will enter into what is AI, what is ML, what is ML means machine learning, what is deep learning, what is data science. Okay, how it is these topics are connected together. Okay, this image will give you clear explanation. I will explain. Okay, artificial intelligence. Okay, normally in beginning, in these words will be confusing you. Okay, what is AI? Some people call it artificial intelligence, some people say data science. Okay, artificial intelligence on the top of all the topics. Okay, artificial, what is AI? This is not a new topic. It was invented around 1960. Okay, 1960 they have some computer chess device. Through that they invented this. But that time, now only recently only it is getting popular, because that time we have that much data in our hand. And next thing, we don't have that much computing power, devices. Okay, systems are not available, and algorithms. Okay, that is also not much developed. Okay, now we are having these three things in advanced level. Because of this only, artificial intelligence getting popular in the recent days. Okay, so what is artificial intelligence? Whatever you are doing, right, you are thinking, right, the machine also do the same thing. So machine thinks like a human. That is called artificial intelligence. How so? In your childhood, okay, you normally what happened? That time only you started learning. Now after that, after getting some learning, you started thinking smartly. Machine also does the same thing. If you train the machine, it will do the smart things. Okay. So final objective is machine thinks like a human. Okay. That is called artificial intelligence. Inside artificial intelligence, sub field is machine learning. What is machine learning? You have past data. Okay, as a supermarket owner, you have past data, you have a sales data. Through the sales data, you can predict next month's sales. Through that, you can take action, right? You can maintain some inventory. If you know the sales count for next month, you can do that. You can predict. I'm saying simple example. There are various examples are there. From past data, you can predict future data. Okay, so that is called machine learning. Okay, if you pass the data to the machine, it will create a program. Okay, that is called machine learning. Okay, and deep learning, advanced level of machine learning is called the deep learning. Here, this deep learning works like our brain cells. Okay, is mimic the human brain cells, a neuron in our brain. So if you feel any pain on your toes, right, what will happen? The signal goes to your brain. Based on that, you can take action, right? So similarly, if you pass data, it acts like a neuron. Okay, it's called a neural network. Through that, we can predict future data, from past to future data, through some advanced algorithm. Okay, that is called deep learning. Okay, everywhere if you see here, we are using data. We are playing on the data. What we are doing, we are applying some statistics and math, some programming skills on the data. That is called data science. If you see here, every things is connected together. Okay, so there is no difference. Data science, artificial intelligence, there is minute difference, but 80% they are connecting each other. Okay, so now I hope you understood this. Here we can see some artificial intelligence. What are the different fields it covers? We will see. Whatever we are talking, okay, so speech to text, text to speech, you whatever you are talking, right, you can write the same thing, right? If you feed the speech, okay, to the machine, machine will convert it into text, text to speech, everything is possible. Whatever you are booking, you are reading a book, right? The same thing, if you feed a text data to machine, it will understand the meaning, everything. Okay, it extract. Okay, topic modeling, everything is possible. That is called natural. Similar to your language, machine also having that language, that is called natural language processing. And planning. So Google Maps is the best AI tool for planning and production planning. MRP maximize the production planning MPR. So in manufacturing industry through AI we can do vision similar to whatever we are seeing image, right? Machine can see that image and understand. Suppose if you are seeing some tiger image, you can easily recognize that is a tiger. If you train the same thing from childhood, you learn many things, right? Similar to if you train to model, if you feed a various tiger images, around 100 images, after that getting training, if you show any tiger images in any view, whether it is a top view, side view, doesn't matter, machine will tell you that. Okay. Similarly in the Google search engine, image based search, is the basic is this vision, computer vision. And machine learning, as I said earlier, from past data you can predict future data. And expert system like doctors, lawyers, machine gives suggestion, okay, support to the customers. Okay, that is called expert system. Industrial robotics, okay, so pick and place robots, various operation, and some critical things they can do with the robots. Okay, so these are the operation we can do with artificial intelligence. How machine learning works? Okay, what is machine learning? Everyone knows about know about a traditional program. Okay, traditional program in the sense, suppose you have some data. So simple example, I'll show some examples. Okay, you have a 2 3 5 4 2 6 7 1 8. Okay, this one is a past data. I am showing only 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay, think about 100 columns, 100 columns and one
Excuse
more.
me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sorry to interrupt. It's not visible to us what you have been explaining. Can you just open a paint and drive there?
Just a second, sir. Just a second, I will share it. Are you able to see now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there are different data. Okay, you have. Okay, you have 2 3 5 4 2 6 7 1 8. Okay, we have only 3 columns. This one is a past data. Think about it. This one is a past. Okay, in real time, it might be 100 columns, 1 million records. Okay, can you understand the pattern between this data? What is the pattern? You can easily recognize. If you add these 2 columns, you can get third column. Am I right? 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. If you want to, okay, write this business logic in traditional programming, you have to write your own program, whether it is a C++ or Java or any traditional programming language. You have to write the code. You have to create a sum of 2 numbers and it returns the result. Okay, you have to write manually. You have to write, and you have to pass data. You have to pass 2 comma 3. After passing the data into a program, what will happen? It will return the result 5. This is the traditional program. Okay, so you have data now. You have a input and output. Okay, so you have passed to input and output into the machine. We are not doing anything, just passing input and output, entire data. Think about 100 columns and 1 million records. It's difficult to understand pattern by us. Okay, but machine easily understand the pattern. It creates program. Okay, it creates the program is ready now. In machine the program is ready. I mean, this is normally called as a program or algorithm or model. So different ways. In future, okay, model is ready with the past data. In future someone comes, they pass 3 comma 1. Okay, what it will happen? Model program is ready. The similar program is ready, but here machine created that program. If you pass a 3 comma 1, it returns output 4. Okay, this is called machine learning. Very simple. The programming is very less compared to traditional programming. If you know the techniques, it will be very easier. If you pass entire data, you can create a model. Through that you can predict future things. Okay, future prediction. It's possible. Okay, so this is one. So normally people think, what is machine learning? It gives a clear answer to you. Okay. one is a simple case study, telecom churn. Okay, we have done. What is the churn? Is the okay, churn means someone leaving from their services. Suppose in banking, customer they are leaving from their banking to that bank to another bank. So that is for churn for that bank. Okay. If people leaving from telecoms, if you are using a Airtel, if you are leaving from Airtel to some other service, that is for churn. Every industries they are focusing on reducing churn because nowadays the company is also looking to reduce the attrition rate, right? Why? Because finding a new customer is very difficult compared to maintaining a old customer. There's a lot of advertisement cost. Everyone they are focusing on the churn. We have a case study. We are passing customer data because past customer data and what internet, what they are using, right? Telecom. Through that we are building model. If you pass any customer details in the model, it will tell you this customer is going to leave or not leave from the service. Through that, if they are leaving, through that you can give some additional offers. Customer support may talk to them and retain their services, okay, through to that customer. So everything is possible. Like this, we have various case studies. So in our foundation class, we will see all the things.